I'm going to show all of you how I usually clean my solid brass Zippo lighter. It has been at least a year since I last did a polishing on this. Looking at its tarnishes, more so at the back and the top. It's only being slightly shiny along the side where the thumb frequently opens the lid. The substance I always use that I find very useful is Brasso. It has been working quite well for me, giving a very shiny and white polish after that. And I do not use cloths. Instead, I use old paper towels. Once that is done, I'll take a new sheet of paper towel, soaking in lighter fluid to wipe off all remaining brass polish on the case. Alright, hope you enjoyed this quick sharing. Do drop your comments, questions, suggestions, feedbacks in the comment section below. Do give this video a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. As of now everyone, do stay safe and have a great one.